Alright students, this review session is going to be on the cell cycle. We're looking at Unit 5. I think it was a purple note packet for you guys. So the cell cycle, there's 5 parts to it. There's G1, S, G2, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Before I get to all of this down here, we got to talk about S. S is so important. In that part of the cell cycle, DNA is going to replicate. It replicates so that at the end of mitosis and cytokinesis, we are going to have 2 identical cells. So we have to replicate to have the identity at the very end. That's a very important step in the cell cycle. Mitosis. There are 4 phases to mitosis. It's PMAP, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Patty made a taco, whatever else you want to say. What was it somebody came up with? Packers make a touchdown. I don't know. Who cares? Regardless, make sure you know that. So in prophase, the key word here is pack. The chromatin is going to pack up into chromosomes. The nuclear membrane starts to dissolve, and then the centriole starts to move to opposite sides. The easiest one to identify is metaphase. This is when the chromosomes line up down the middle. That's the key word here, is middle. Anaphase, after they line up down the middle, they get pulled apart. Key word is apart. See how that? They're starting to separate and go to separate sides of the cell so we can make 2 identical cells. And then we get to telophase, which is 2. That's the key word. We're about to split into 2. We haven't quite gotten there yet, but it's about to happen. And so everything else kind of starts to dissolve. It starts to reappear. Spindle fibers have gone away. Centrioles are on opposite sides. And everything else is about to go back into interphase. Cell cycle with replication. Keep in mind that in DNA, we have 4 bases, A, T, G, and C. When replication takes place, we're going to take anything. Every time you see an A, we pair it with T. A T pairs with A, G pairs with C, and C pairs with G. That's replication. The next video, we'll go over protein synthesis.